Okay, this video is going to be about Alltail and a cable that it should have came with. So let's get into it. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Hopefully the noise from the fan's not bothering you too bad. This was where the TPMS tool was at. But up here, it says adapters, both sides. Let's get into it. Open them up. You see all these adapters? Guess what it doesn't come with? That adapter. Of course, it's made in China. Can you see what it says? 12/8. See if you can see the adapter inside the bag. It's for Chrysler. Now, for a lot of people say it's 2017, and then a lot of people say, oops, sorry about that, 2018. It should be, if I'm not mistaken, it's 2017 and up is what it is. This cable, 12/8 cable that it was supposed to come with, or not that it was supposed to come with, but it should have came with it. These scan tools are expensive, and you know, the cable is only $20 to $60, depending on where you get it from. You'd think they would throw that in, but the thing about the cable is the SGM, the security gateway module, is not in the same place in every vehicle. So you have to have some kind of way to look that up and find out where it's at. Then unplug it. It should have two connectors in it, obviously. You unplug them and plug this cable to the connectors. Obviously not to the module, you plug it to the wiring harness connectors. And then, you know, you'll be able to scan it. But, you know, like I said, for the price of the scan tool, any scan tool that's sold after 2017 should come with that adapter. If you got to have it to scan, you know, 2017 or 2018 and newer Chrysler products, it just doesn't make any sense. It comes with all kind of other adapters. It should come with that one too. But anyway, that's all I got for this video, guys. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.